So Levi actually, he came, like I called him and he came like a doggy. There he is. How you doing, buddy? So we had a little bit of a rough day yesterday. He had to go to emergency vet care because something, I'm thinking another cat, bit his tail. So let me show you what they had to do. And it was very expensive for Mama and Dada. Right there, he got his tail shaven. He had a bite and all sorts of crazy stuff. Got out of that bite and had to get drained and everything, but he's fine. And he's dying to go outside, but not gonna let him outside. So, small fortune later, we got the Cat Lady box. This is for February 2026. There's a discount code, I checked online. If you use the code PER, you're gonna get 20% off your first box at CatLadyBox. So I'll leave the link down below. Let's take a look at the details. You get the box just like this in the mail. Everything is nicely packed. And I did get the artist card this month. I missed it last month. It wasn't in my box. And this is a position Levi often takes. And on the back of the card is all the details of what's inside with the pricing. And yeah, the featured artist is called ABI Go Lucky. And she has an Instagram, or he, I don't know, he or she. So let's see what we got in the box. Levi is already playing with this. It is a slice of pizza. It's full of catnip, very cute. I'm gonna give it back to him. It's valued at $7.99. And he's already got this. What is this? There he is. All right, so what he has is he has Thomas the teddy. Here you go. It's a cute little teddy bear. I'm gonna give it back to him. Filled with catnip. Here you go, bud. And that is valued at $6.99. So here, you can see the pictures better in the card than you can because my little boy is playing with them. I'm so glad he's fine. We kind of looked at it for a few days, and then after a few days, it was a big bump on his tail. It was like, we got to bring him in. And he's having so much fun with the toys. Let's go straight to the t-shirt because it's super cute this month. And it's called Cat Lover, and it's got that like 70s, like zoom. I don't know what program it is, but it has that 70s graphics. The font, I love it. It's pink. Wow. You would think this is a large, and it's a medium. I get mediums because they are quite big. Look at that. Ooh. Wow, yeah, the medium is good. And the shrinkage, I mean, all t-shirts shrink a tad. Most of the t-shirt is made out of poly. Oh no, this is 100% cotton. 100%? Yeah, cotton. So I'm glad it's a little bit big. So that's a t-shirt. I'm gonna show you my favorite thing last. Well, actually, I haven't even looked at this. It says here, kitty kitty. This is a tote bag. Here's your pizza. You want your pizza? I don't know, he hears something over there. I don't know what he hears. Oh, we got a really nice tote bag. Very cute. Got a little cat logo, and it says here, kitty kitty. And it's canvas. Very nice. I like it. I like it. It's not huge. It's not huge at all. You can use this as a little crossbody. Let me get you the pricing on the tote bag and the t-shirt. Tote bag is $18.99 and the t-shirt is $22.99. No comment. Well, that's why you get a subscription box, because it pays for itself, really. And then we got mini meow ramekins, $19.99. I love little ramekins and little bowls, and we have gotten bowls in past boxes, and I use them all the time. We got a set of 4, and everything's wrapped in paper, and I'll show you. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that. You can use them for your kitty cat. You can use them for you, for little dipping sauces and stuff. And oh, this is very smart. they did a different graphic inside each bowl. See, you got 2 different graphics right there. And then we got 2 more bowls. I love these. These are really cute. Aww. And then a little kitty. And then the final bowl. So very cute. Here, we got 4 little glass bowls. Not even gonna put it back in the packaging. This is something I'm gonna use right away. And you know, if you didn't want to use this for food or for your cat, you can use this. I do a lot of watercoloring. You can use these as little paint pots, mixing colors and stuff like that. I don't think I'm going to use it for that. It's just another option, you know, another option. Excuse me, I had a cough right there. So Levi is having a grand old time with the pizza slice. So that is the box for February. We got 2 toys, the really cute t-shirt. Let me do a quick recap. We got the really cute t-shirt, really nice tote bag. And you know, tote bags could be a dime a dozen. I'm gonna tell you something. This is quality. This is very nice. And it's slightly stretchy. It's very nice. It's not harsh, you know, it's the fabric is a little bit on the stretchy soft side. And then we got the 4 ramekins with the cute little kitty graphics in the middle. So if you go to CatLadyBox, Per will get you 20% off your first box. And that's for February. Lovely box. Thank you, CatLadyBox, for sending me this for my review. And I'm so happy you joined me today, and I hope you have a great week. And come back and see me and Levi soon. Bye.